Has any of you guys go to bed and don't wipe off the makeup off and don't remember to wipe the makeup off your face because you are that tired? Well, I am in that case this morning. Look at this. When I woke up this morning, I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh my god, really, Mel? Well, I didn't care for it and I needed to work out, so that's exactly what I went and do. Work out with makeup on my face from last night. The struggle is real. Is real out here, but good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. What do you have to say for yourself? Chair. You're obsessed with your stool since you got it yesterday, non-stopping. But this is not how it works. It works like this. You have to open it up. Open, put it down, and stand on it. Now you go stand on it. Up, up. Go stand. Go up on it. Yes, that's how it's done. So you guys, I got my workout in this morning. You want to get down? I just finished running and now baby's gonna start. Now is the moment you can look around and say hi guys.
Hi guys. I'm focused. Really, babe? Focus.
Really?
Wow, you want?
Ah! Yes! Love it. Amen to warrior mode. Yes. Go. Get that running in. So I just finished my run. Now baby's gonna get his run in. And I am not going to wait on him because I'm going to get cold. So I'm going to go ahead and do my abs and then he'll do his after. That way I'll be really getting in those abs with him this morning. Alright you guys, let me get his run in. Tyler, say good morning. How are you?
Baba. Baba. Baba.
Focus, man. You know, say you focus. Do it, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it for the results, honey. Do it for the results. What do you want? Huh? Go for it. Take your stool. Come. Here. Reach. 1. Come on. 2. Come on. 3. That's it. 4. 5. Reach on me. 1. 5 more. 2. 3. Come on. 4. Give me 2 more. Give me an extra one. Effort. That's it. That's it. That's it. To nothing all day. We've been sleeping and baby chefing up in the kitchen. Baby's making, babe, what you making?
Me?
Yes.
I'm making some corn.
He's making corn and eggs. Yes, and chicken and fish. So he says, get your man that can cook, okay?
Don't get me.
Don't get him, that's what he says. You guys, we've been up to just resting. I've been editing while the boys were sleeping because I just couldn't fall asleep, so I had to find something to do. Babe, that cook, what are you cooking out of it?
Don't look at me.
Let me see the finished product. It came out well, it came out pretty. So where's mine?
Half of it? You want some? Half of it?
Move up, man.
No, you want some half of it?
Just a taste, I don't want the full.
Tell me the amount, the amount you want.
No, eat.
Babe.
Eat. Babe. I am hungry hungry, but I don't know what I feel for babe make eggs. I'm just going to taste it, and when this corn finish cooking, I'm just going to have some of them, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cook dinner because I have some work to do. You're feeding me? But I can't eat it like that.
Yeah, I tell you to wipe off your face because especially some.
Thank you, babe. It tastes good.
I needed some more, I need some ham and some things to do.
So we're gonna grow on this little much food. No, go ahead. Santella is obsessed with his auntie, of course, so he's talking to her. But look at this child. You're stuck? You're not talking to auntie? Tyler, get up. He's stuck in his toy things. Go talk to auntie. Go. He's have his auntie on WhatsApp. Watch him. Him see food, he run, go on. Listen. Because he gets stuck in him tie something. Here. He's obsessed with his auntie. So she have to stay on the phone and she can't hang up. Give Tata a kissy. Give Tata a bisou. Go give Tata a bisou. Go. Go on, go give Tata a bisou. Go. Give auntie bisou. Give Tata a bisou. About to give my boys a haircut. I said boys because I'm going to attempt to cut Tyler own after I cut this sweet man's own. After I cut babe own, I'm going to attempt to cut Tyler own. Guys, who is this? Who is that? Who is that?
Daya.
That's Tyler.
Daya.
Tyler in his brand new haircut. Yeah? That's you? That's you?
Daya.
The thing is, guys, it's my first time cutting his hair, and I didn't want to cut it all off like this or cut it this low, but since it's my first time, I guess I'll learn as I go along. But he looks super cute. Yeah. So boys have gotten their hair cut, and I am so tired, and I'm still not done yet. I'm actually in the kitchen right now making dinner, and being the unpredictable family that we are, we decided that we want saltfish fritters. Yes, so your girl making saltfish fritters right now for dinner for babe and I, as Tyler already ate his dinner, and I still have my hair to sort out and I still have a bunch of clothes to go and iron for babe. Never ends around here, but that's okay. Wife duties, it have to be done, okay? Not complaining at all. Oh, I'm also cooking in my slow cooker. as usual. You guys know that my slow cooker is my best friend these days. So I have an entire seasoned chicken in here, slow cooking, because see now we work, both of us work now. I don't have the time sometime to make sure that food is always here, or it's not even that. Sometimes when I reach back from work, it's just too late to be eating, and it's to be late to be cooking. By the time I finish cooking, it's time for us to be relaxing, should have been relaxing and stuff like that. So I'm kind of prepping sometimes when I can ahead, so this chicken can last for probably like 2 days or so. And then I also prep some fish that I can cook tomorrow, so I can have that for lunch and some other days for dinner. So I'm making sure that there is always food. Tyler is giving trouble to Papa. You guys, babe and I've been eating before dinner is complete. That's the last set, so it's almost finished. Look, Tyler. Say tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Give them bisou. Alright. Don't suck them in, son. Alright, baby, alright. That was a good one. One more? Oh, Jesus. Alright. Good job. You're fogging up the lens. Jesus, he fogged up the lens. Wait, no more kiss. Say night. Say night. You're hilarious. Say night. Tell them night. He's fighting to kiss y'all. Kissy. He's fighting to kiss y'all. Alright, kiss. Alright. Good job. He's happy now. You're happy now?
Happy, dear.
Happy? Tell them later. Night.
No.
Hey Fizz. Hey guys, I am so tired. I got so much things done today. I just finished ironing a bunch of shirts for babe for work, and I'm super tired. I didn't even finish ironing all that I really wanted to do today, but I can't do everything in one day, so I just I just have to leave some things for our next day. And we are actually going to head to bed right now. Tyler is off to bed already, and babe and I are heading to bed right now. So we're just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and babe just gonna come and tell you guys bye because we are rushing off to bed real quick. Look at that face. You like your new haircut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not something new. So, yeah. Still better than what I have here. I was looking like a teddy bear.
Alright, you guys. We're just going to
bed.
Head off to bed.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you guys so watching. Give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications. That way you won't miss out on a new video. Alright, you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.